In this lesson, you are going to become a master of present tense in Spanish verb to be. As we told you in the previous video, we have two different verbs for the verb to be.
Ser,
And
estar,
today we will deeply learn the verb.
estar.
As always, we are going to start learning the endings or conjugations of this verb. I am.
Yo estoy.
You are.
Tú estás.
He, she is.
Él, ella está.
We are.
Nosotros estamos.
You are.
Vosotros estáis.
They are.
Ellos, ellas están.
When do we use the verb?
Estar.
Number 1. Locate people or things in space. We are in the restaurant.
Nosotros estamos en el restaurante.
The car is in the parking lot.
El coche está en el parking.
Number 2. Temporary states of persons or things. Your brother is happy.
Tu hermano está feliz.
My grandparents are ill.
Mis abuelos están enfermos.
Number 3. Marital statuses. They are married.
Ellos están casados.
We are separated or divorced.
Nosotros estamos separados o divorciados.
Now, you are a master in the verb to be. In the following lessons, you will learn the negative sentence and the interrogative sentence. If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.